They loved Martin Luther King. They loved his voice of choice. Martin Luther King. I had a dream that one day, the people of Los Angeles and Hollywood, in New York City, city of non-witty and pity, will wake up and smell the coffee, and they're badly abused, unused, and the one and only is not amused. And so these two twins, they saw how everybody picked on Gordy. But they recognized this guy's good looking and he's funny. A good looking kid and he's funny. I wonder why he doesn't have any friends to the end. And so they didn't pick on Gordy. They called on Gordy. Hello, Gordy, how are you? Hi, Gordy. My name is Peter, and this is my brother David. David and Peter, Peter and David. David and Peter, Peter and David, that's us. David and Peter and Peter and David and Peter and David and David and Peter. David Dali and Peter Picasso. And Gordy, how are you? And so, my dears and undears, this will be the story. A beautiful, not beautiful story of a family raised in West, won't drive a Ford, West on heart, won't drive a Ford, unless I can't afford a Ford. Or can I afford a Ford? If I can't afford a Ford, trust me, I won't be surfing on that board. I want to drive a Mercedes. Better yet, a Cadillac. Back then, a Cadillac was the rack, was the stack. For all those who lacked the one and only smile, a heart. They had to be seen in a Cadillac or a Mercedes, so they could parade around West on Hartford, on etiquette, con etiquette. And so our story begins like this, with a little boy named Gordy, whose father called him Boy, and his name was Marvin Splat. Marvin Splat.
is getting me pissed. He knocked me right off of the top of her list, and now I'm doing all this. He's getting all that. I'm getting jealous of my girlfriends. Selfish, stubborn, impolite, doggone cat.
Get down here now! Boy! I'm gonna count to 3. And your ass better be down here by the time I get to 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dad, what do you want? What do you want, Dad?